Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Fast, clean cuts. This cordless 20V power share chainsaw is as fast and powerful as anything in its class. And with no gas and no cord, there's much less muss and fuss. Auto chain tension. The automatic, tool-free chain tension system ensures you'll always have the correct tension for the job at hand. Same battery. Expandable power. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80 volts lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. Auto chain lubrication. The automatic chain lubrication system not only makes for smoother, more efficient cuts, it extends the life of the tool, and the oil level indicator lets you know exactly where you stand. Compact, lightweight. It weighs 6.2 pounds, about as much as a 2-liter bottle of soda. You'll work longer, with less strain. A fast chain speed, 12.5 feet per second, will tear through any reasonably sized log or branch. That speed, combined with our auto tension and auto oil systems, and the overall lightweight design, makes for one smooth saw experience. Plenty of juice. These are the same batteries we use on our jaw saw and in our lawnmowers. They're powerful enough for those, and powerful enough for a chainsaw. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. 40 volts compact chainsaw, perfect for homeowners and occasional users. 12 inches bar and chain, low kickback safety chain with hand guard for added protection. Automatic oiler, applies oil to bar and chain when needed to ensure durability and optimal use. Tool less tensioning, for easy bar and chain maintenance. Easy to use, electric start. No gas or fumes, no carburetor, no spark plug, and no starter rope. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 40V 16 inches chainsaw, perfect for homeowners that need to tackle yard projects or storm cleanup. TRUBRUSHLESSTM motor technology 2x more torque. Provides more power, longer run times, quiet operation, and extended motor life. Chain brake, for added safety and reduced risk of injury. Automatic oiler, delivers proper chain lubrication and increased productivity. Pro-style tensioning, for easy bar and chain maintenance. Easy to use, push-button start. No gas or fumes, no carburetor, no spark plug, and no starter rope. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Powerful performance. 15A electric chainsaw with integrated self-sharpening system. Power Sharp. The perfect chainsaw for homeowners and DIY. With long-lasting 18-inch guide bar. Built-in Power Sharp self-sharpening system minimizes downtime by sharpening your chain in 3 to 5 seconds. Ergonomic design features chain brake for safety. Lightweight design. Tensioning without tools. Allows you to adjust your chain quickly and easily so that you can maintain the perfect tension for the ideal cut, with next to no maintenance. Instant startup. Corded electric chainsaws gets to work immediately. Low noise. Makes less noise than a gasoline chainsaw. No assembly required. Chainsaw comes pre-assembled. UL certified and comes with 2-year warranty. Automatic lubrication. Automatic oiling system that provide continuous lubrication to the bar and chain from the oil tank. It keeps the chain lubricated for less friction, to extend the life of your chain even in harsh environments.